Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. So first, of course, you need to open the control panel. In the control panel, you need to find all features you don't use right now and just disable them. For example, if you don't use mobile data right now, but using Wi-Fi, so disable the mobile data or vice versa. Then disable the location services you don't need, then click close. Disable all you don't need, right? So touch, disable the NFC, disable the mobile hotspot. If you don't have any features here, you can click on the edit button, then click full, find your features you want to move to the upper part of your screen, for example NFC. Done. Go back, disable NFC. So that's it. The second aspect you need to do is to reduce the screen brightness on your screen. So here on this device we have the LED screen, and it means that in the dark places our screen is just disabled. So it's a very good idea to open settings, then scroll down, find your display and enable the dark mode. In the dark mode your device will live longer. Very good idea, open the motion smoothness and click adaptive or standard. So adaptive it's very good mode if you want to use to the maximum performance, but if you want to reduce the performance but you want to have more battery performance, so click standard and click apply. In this mode your device will live longer. It's very good idea to go back and find device care. It's here. In device care, find the battery and click power saving. In power saving mode your device will live longer, but you can open the power saving mode, disable it, click limit apps and home screen, then enable power saving mode again, and in this mode your device will live several days. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.